Hello, and welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing Netflix's recent move to limit password sharing in Canada, New Zealand, Portugal, and Spain. As a streaming giant, Netflix has always been at the forefront of the entertainment industry, and this latest development is sure to have a big impact. Before we dive in, be sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with all of our latest videos. Netflix has announced that it will be introducing restrictions on password sharing in 4 more countries: Canada, New Zealand, Portugal, and Spain. The company is asking customers in these countries to pay an additional fee if they want friends and family who don't live with them to share their subscription. This move comes after a crackdown on password sharing in South America, and the policy will be rolled out in the UK by the end of March. According to Netflix, 100 million people around the world use shared accounts, and the loss in revenue from these accounts is affecting its ability to invest in new programming content. The reason behind this change is twofold. Firstly, growing competition in the streaming market has prompted Netflix to focus on shoring up its revenues. Secondly, allowing accounts to be used by several people within households has created confusion about when and how people could share. To address this issue, members in the 4 affected countries will be asked to set up a primary location for their account and manage who has access to it. For a fee of $7.99 in Canadian dollars, $7.99 in New Zealand dollars, $3.99 in euros for Portugal, and $5.99 for euros in Spain, these countries' subscribers can add up to 2 extra members as sub-accounts. There are several potential benefits to this new policy. Firstly, it will help Netflix generate more revenue, which will enable the company to invest in new programming content and improve its overall offerings to its customers. Secondly, by reducing confusion about password sharing, it will make it easier for members to manage their accounts and ensure that only authorized individuals have access. Finally, by introducing a fee for additional sub-accounts, Netflix is incentivizing customers to be more mindful of who they are sharing their accounts with, which could help to reduce the number of unauthorized users. However, there are also potential drawbacks to this new policy. Firstly, it could lead to some customers canceling their subscriptions due to the additional cost of adding sub-accounts. Secondly, it may also lead to increased account sharing among friends and family as they try to find ways to avoid paying the fee. Finally, it could also damage the company's reputation, as some customers may feel that Netflix is not being fair or transparent by introducing these restrictions. The implications of this new policy for the company and its customers are still unclear. On one hand, it could help Netflix generate more revenue and improve its overall offerings to its customers. On the other hand, it could lead to some customers canceling their subscriptions and damage the company's reputation. Ultimately, only time will tell how this new policy will impact Netflix, its customers, and the entertainment industry as a whole. And that's it for this video. We hope you found this discussion of Netflix's new policy on password sharing to be informative and engaging. If you have any thoughts or opinions on this topic, feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay on top of all the latest tech news.